Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ralph with Pondscapes, and this pond is about to undergo a big makeover. So what we're gonna do is completely wipe this thing out, make it bigger, make a bigger waterfall, make a bigger statement, so these big fish have a bigger home to stretch their fins out in. Okay, to start this off, what we've got to do is create a blank canvas. So in this area is going to be the new waterfall and of course the pond getting extended. We're gonna go from this line about 7 feet further. The level of the pond is getting down to a level that it's gonna be easy to catch those fish, relocate them over here to their temporary housing. We've got aeration discs in here. All right, end of day one. Pond is totally de-rocked, and we got to take out that liner first thing in the morning and start that excavation. We'll see you in the morning. It's just the two of us. Alex is going to be running the wheelbarrow, right? I don't know how to work one of those. All right, time to put the fabric in. Let's get after it. All right, we have got the fabric all laid out. Now it is time to get that liner in. I swear, every time I turn around, this guy's under the fabric, under the liner. Dude, you didn't even let me get the first rock.
I didn't want you to get the first rock. That was the whole point.
I hope you bump your head on that bucket. All right, back on Monday after a beautiful weekend. So we got to get rolling because by Friday, we need these waterfalls up and running, and we got to be out of here to be rolling on to the next job. So let's see where we're at. So basically what we're doing right now is getting boulders staged in the bottom of the pond, moving them around. So we're going to work on building this shelf out right here. So the goal today, get the entire pond rocked in, get the intake rocked in, and start working on our edges. Okay, so Alex is locking in the aqua blocks for our intake. We've got some larger pebbles around the outside, and then he's locking it on this backside with some nice clean dirt. Then what we've got to do is basically build a wall that goes in the front of this, and then right about where this bucket is, we'll have an opening so that water can suck right in there. Get the bottom of the pond all rocked in. Got more boulders coming in. Lucas is bringing a bunch of those in, and we'll run our wall around and close up this intake area. Today, number 6 of this pond build. By the way, I am beanied up, and that only happens probably once or twice a year. It is cold, 34 degrees when I showed up to the project today. Now, I know some of you East Coasters, Midwestern folks out there laughing, but this struggle is real out here. Okay, we're moving right along on our intake bay. You can see how we're going to camouflage the pump vault. We'll do gravel over that. I'll get another boulder in right in here. This will all get graveled. Be nice little planting pockets back in here. We've got our 2-inch pipe from the original waterfall that sat right over there. It goes under all the pavers and everything right over here. All right, guys, we are moving right along. So we'll be able to get our edging taken care of today. Let's get started on the waterfall. Check you in a little bit. And moving right along, check it out. Alex is over here taking the faceplate off of our Biofalls 2500. That's the original biofall for this pond. What we're gonna do is get that situated, leveled, backfilled, and start building that waterfall.
It's the worst part of the job. It's the only thing that would make me say I hate my job instead of I love my job.
Opening a can of glue?
A brand new thing of glue. Oh my God. The thought of you having to do it makes me get it done.
So literally Alex has gotten so frustrated he can't open a can of glue, and I grab it and I tap the threads on it, crack it right open, and he just, the look of discouragement on his face is priceless. We have got the Biofall 6000 set. We have got the old Biofall 2500 set. What we're gonna do is start our foundation down here to work ourselves up and out to build these waterfalls. Today is a pretty cool day. Number one, it's my birthday. I'm excited about celebrating that, and this is how I like to celebrate my birthday, building a pond. Number two, we have got a guest right here, all the way out from Eugene, Oregon. I'm decked out in Alan's gear from A&K Landscaping. Alan contacted me about 6-8 months ago. He said, Ralph, I want to come work for you. Nothing more in life I want than to be a pondscaper. So here he is, one day for free. Alan, thanks for coming out. And why did you make the trek to come out here and work with us?
Well, you guys are one of the best pond builders out there, so I said, hey, coming down to visit my in-laws in Tucson, can't go wrong with coming out and working a day and learning from one of the best.
I'm glad he gave me an adjustable hat. My head just swelled up a little bit. So this is great because we love to share our knowledge and we want to encourage other contractors out there to learn how to build these ponds and water features. It's awesome to be able to share our knowledge with other people that want to get involved. Spin it. Right, like pretty much like that. Yep.
We're putting it right here.
Yes, sir. All right, Alan has got a great idea for this boulder. Look at that cut. See how it's cut like that? It's gonna fit in that shelf perfectly and act also as a framer. I love it, I love it. Okay, back from lunch, and man, am I stuffed. We are gonna get very little done. Hey, Alan, thank you again for lunch. This guy is invited out anytime, especially when he's buying lunch, because that was delicious. All right, we gotta get back to rocking. Let's do it. Okay, here at Pondscapes, we believe in machine appreciation. These guys feel like that machine has been working hard enough today, so they're putting the work in. Good job, fellas. Alex, how many hats do you wear?
I've been through a lot today. First of all, I hate change.
Yeah.
And now I'm saying goodbye to this hat. This, I was thinking about quitting and changing companies. And then you gave me this hat and I decided to stay.
Oh.
But
so
only after you tried to rip my heart out. You failed, but I really like this sweatshirt, so.
We'll get your sweatshirt
I've been
fixed
through
up for
too
you,
much
buddy.
today.
Okay.
I've been through too much.
I was honored to have a call from Alan with A&K Landscape. He wanted to come out and work with us, me and Alex. So that was really cool to come all the way from Oregon, specifically only to work with us, right?
Absolutely.
And happy birthday, Tina. But it was a great experience. We shared a lot of information. Now I can give back some of my knowledge and some of my passion. And I think it's very contagious and infectious.
It's awesome building with you guys today. Learning so much today. Built a waterfall. I'll get to see it running here soon, but learned a lot. Learned a lot.
Well, thanks again for coming out. And guys, we got some work to do, so we're gonna get back after it tomorrow. We'll see you in the morning. Alex and I are back at it, but we're up against the wall right now because we're supposed to be done tomorrow. And we have got quite a bit of finish work yet to do. We've got to get moving. All right, so we are moving right along, and you know what's a cool thing is when the free labor that was here yesterday shows up with the entire family. Are we ready to get to work?
Let's do it.
Yeah? I've got a shovel for you, you, and we'll get you on the machine. Okay, Tina, you're gonna run boulders?
All right, I'm doing it.
Perfect. This is working out perfectly. Waterfalls are looking great. Not only are we really thrilled with the way they came out so far, but the homeowner is really excited. It is time to start filling. Alex, what time is it?
Time to fill the pond.
All right. We've got our water level high enough to give it a test run. And John, are you ready to do the honors?
Oh, I'm ready. I've been ready for a long time. This is the best money I've spent in a long time.
Awesome. Let's give it a whirl, see if it works. See that skimming action?
Yes.
Vaults are filling up. There we go. Hey, John.
You're gonna miss it.
Oh, that's awesome.
I don't think any of those helicopters are armed with runners.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. I don't know what this guy's up to, but he's got shorts and swim goggles on.
I'm gonna fulfill my Olympic dreams, but I need to do a little training first.
Okay.
I gotta get back in the water. It's the endless pool. You swim against the current right there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Here we go. All wrapped up. And Alex just had to get in. Check it out. You can see some of those giant koi swimming around him, checking him out.
It's February, by the way.
It is February.
This is where you do it. Right in the current.
Very nice form.
I know. I told you. I'm aspiring to be an Olympic champion.
So that's a wrap for us. We'll be back to check out what the landscape looks like when it's all done. This thing is going to be gorgeous in about a year. All this foliage growing in, lilies popping. I can't wait. Check us out on the next video. Let us know what you thought about this. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Let us know what you thought. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.